Hi everyone, my name's Colin. I'm an aspiring self-taught Python developer and UI UX enthusiast. Welcome to my channel. This is my second project by myself on Python. Now this code you see here is a game for Blackjack. I did not come up with this code myself. I can't take credit for that. I found it on Stack Exchange, but this is just a vlog of me learning how to become a developer. And so yeah, I tried to dissect this code here, and you know, I found out there was an error here on line 64. Yeah, dealer card. Well, this said dealer card 1. It should have said dealer card 2 here. And once I fixed that, the game seemed to work much better. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty simple scripting game, but it was still complex to understand because it had a lot of ins and outs about lists and tuples and how functions work, how arguments work, and things of that nature. So yeah, I'm just going to try to explain what's going on here as best as I can. So it's import the random module, and it says random integer. It basically selects the card here from the ace to king, and you have the suites here: hearts, spades, clubs, and diamonds. And it basically integrates all 52 cards into a deck through here. And I've had print card here just to show you that how that function works. So it prints out all the suites and I mean, whatever these are, aces, twos, threes. And yeah, from there, basically, this is how the cards are generated. So once you, for example, get selected a card, you either get, you know, Jack, Queen, King, or Ace. And then basically, if you get an ace, it asks you whether to make it a 1 or 11. And so basically, this is how it selects the new card, and this is what it does to remove the new card from the deck, from the list. So this is basically how your card's created. This is how the dealer's card's created. And so if you equal 21, you win. If you're over 21, you lose, or if the dealer gets more than what you have. So, anyways, I hope this quick explanation helps those who are learning to code, and I'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe.